Did you know that every single mile that you tow your RV, you could actually be on the brink of disaster and not even realize it? Improper weight distribution isn't just a small mistake. It's a recipe for trailer sway, structural damage, and potentially disastrous accidents. Today, we're revealing why weight distribution is so critical and how avoiding these common mistakes could save your RV, your trip, and most importantly, your loved ones. Let's get rolling. Proper weight distribution is essential when towing an RV or travel trailer. Think of it like balancing a seesaw. When the weight isn't distributed correctly between your trailer and tow vehicle, you're setting yourself up for trouble on the road. When your trailer's weight isn't balanced right, several problems can pop up. A back-heavy trailer can start to sway side to side like a fishtail, especially at highway speeds. This swaying is more than just scary. It can make you lose control of both your trailer and tow vehicle. Too much weight on the tongue, where the trailer connects to your vehicle, isn't good either, as it can make steering and braking feel like you're driving through molasses. The safety risks are serious. Poor weight distribution can turn a simple drive into a white-knuckle experience, especially in bad weather or on curvy roads. Your trailer might not respond well to steering corrections, and your stopping distance could become unpredictable. Your wallet can take a hit too. When weight isn't distributed properly, it puts extra stress on both your trailer and tow vehicle. This can lead to worn-out suspension, damaged frames, and overworked brakes, all expensive problems to fix. The good news? These issues are preventable. Using the right equipment like weight distribution hitches and sway control systems can make a world of difference. Taking time to understand and properly set up your towing system isn't just about protecting your investment, it's about keeping everyone on the road safe. When you're towing a travel trailer, getting the right tongue weight is like finding the sweet spot on a seesaw. Tongue weight is how much downward force your trailer puts on your vehicle's hitch. Think of it as the trailer giving your vehicle's back end a gentle push down. Not too hard, not too soft. The golden rule is that tongue weight should be 10 to 15% of your trailer's total weight. So if your trailer weighs 5,000 pounds, you want 500 to 750 pounds pressing down on the hitch. This isn't just a random number, it's what keeps your rig stable and safe on the road. Too little tongue weight, under 10%, is like having a child sit too far back on a seesaw. It gets wobbly. Your trailer might start swaying back and forth like a fishtail, which can be really dangerous, especially on highways or in strong winds. Too much weight, over 15%, is like having someone too heavy on the front of the seesaw. It pushes down too hard on your vehicle's rear end, making steering and braking tricky. You can check tongue weight using special scales, or get it measured at a vehicle scale. If the weight's off, just rearrange what's inside your trailer. Need more tongue weight? Move heavy stuff toward the front. Need less? Slide it toward the back. Getting this right isn't just about safety, it also helps your equipment last longer. Add a good weight distribution hitch and sway control system, and you're set for smooth, worry-free travels. Poor weight distribution in your travel trailer isn't just about a bumpy ride. It can actually cause serious damage to your RV that's expensive to fix. Think of your trailer like your body. Just as carrying a heavy backpack wrong can hurt your back, loading your trailer incorrectly puts strain in all the wrong places. The trailer's frame, its backbone, takes the biggest hit. When weight isn't spread out right, parts of the frame have to work overtime. Imagine trying to carry all your groceries in one hand instead of balancing them between both. That's what your trailer frame feels like when the weight is off. Over time, this can lead to warping or even cracks in the frame, which are costly repairs. The axles, which hold your wheels, are also at risk. When they're forced to carry uneven weight, they can get knocked out of alignment. This is like walking with one shoe higher than the other. It throws everything off balance. Your tires wear out faster, you burn more gas, and the axles themselves might eventually bend or break. Your trailer's suspension system, the parts that give you a smooth ride, also takes a beating. When overloaded or imbalanced, shock absorbers and springs wear out way too soon. It's like wearing out your running shoes in a month instead of a year. The good news? You can prevent all this by distributing weight evenly, staying within weight limits, and using a proper weight distribution hitch. Think of it as an investment. A little attention to weight distribution now saves big repair bills later. When towing a travel trailer, 3 major hazards can turn a routine trip into a dangerous situation: trailer sway, poor braking, and reduced vehicle control. Understanding these risks is essential for safe towing. Trailer sway is perhaps the most dangerous issue. It happens when your trailer rocks side to side behind your vehicle, typically due to having too much weight in the back or not enough weight on the hitch. At highway speeds, in strong winds, or when large trucks pass by, sway can quickly escalate into a loss of control. In worse cases, this leads to jackknifing or rollovers. Braking problems arise when tongue weight isn't properly balanced. Your towing setup already needs more stopping power due to the extra weight. When the weight distribution is off, braking braking becomes unpredictable. Too much tongue weight overloads your vehicle's rear axle, reducing brake effectiveness. Too little weight allows the trailer to push against your vehicle during braking. This becomes particularly dangerous during emergency stops or on steep downhills. Control issues occur when weight distribution affects your vehicle's handling. Too much tongue weight reduces front-end traction, making steering less effective. A rear-heavy trailer creates uneven forces on your hitch, resulting in poor responsiveness. These problems become critical in bad weather, sharp turns, or dense traffic. The solution lies in proper weight distribution. Maintain tongue weight between 10 to 15% of your trailer's total weight, use appropriate weight distribution equipment, and regularly check your setup. These steps help ensure your towing experience remains safe and controlled. When towing a travel trailer, one of the most dangerous mistakes is putting too much weight in the back. This creates a condition called tail wagging, where the rear of your trailer swings side to side, making towing unstable and unsafe. Tail wagging happens when excess weight in the back of your trailer shifts its balance point too far from the hitch. This reduces the downward force on the hitch below the safe range of 10 to 15% of total trailer weight. The result is a trailer that wants to swing rather than track straight behind your vehicle. The dangers of tail wagging are severe. Once it starts, especially at highway speeds or in strong winds, the swaying motion can quickly get worse. Your trailer might pull your tow vehicle off course, forcing you to make dangerous corrections. In the worst cases, tail wagging can cause your trailer to jackknife or roll over. This instability also makes it harder to handle emergencies like sudden stops or quick lane changes. Prevention starts with proper loading. Keep heavy items toward the front of your trailer, near the axle. Never stack heavy cargo at the rear. Secure everything firmly so items can't shift while driving. A weight distribution hitch and sway control system add extra stability to your setup. Remember, proper weight distribution isn't optional. It's essential for safe towing. A well-balanced trailer not only protects your equipment, but keeps you and other drivers safe on the road. Take time to load correctly, check your weight distribution, and use appropriate towing equipment before every trip. A weight distribution hitch serves as essential equipment for safe towing, distributing your trailer's weight evenly across all axles of both vehicles. The setup process demands careful attention, as incorrect installation or adjustment creates serious safety risks and potential equipment damage. Improper hitch setup allows excess weight to load onto the tow vehicle's rear axle, causing the front end to lift. Front tire traction decreases, reducing steering and braking effectiveness. The trailer often becomes back heavy in this situation, creating dangerous sway conditions that worsen during high winds, sharp turns, or emergency stops. The strain from poor hitch setup extends beyond immediate safety concerns to long-term equipment damage. Uneven stress wears down the trailer's frame and suspension components prematurely, leading to costly repairs. The uneven riding position causes irregular tire wear, increasing the risk of blowouts during travel. A properly adjusted weight distribution hitch changes the entire towing experience. The system restores balance between vehicle and trailer, resulting in smoother travel and enhanced braking performance. Even weight distribution reduces wear on your vehicle's suspension and drivetrain, extending equipment life significantly. Correct hitch setup requires strict adherence to manufacturer guidelines. The process involves precise installation according to specifications, proper spring bar adjustment, thorough connection checks, and regular component inspections. These steps create a foundation for safe, reliable towing performance. The time invested in setting up and maintaining your weight distribution hitch pays off through safer, more comfortable travel. Regular system checks and proper adjustments protect not only your investment, but also everyone sharing the road. A weight distribution hitch plays a crucial role in safe and stable towing by evenly spreading the trailer's tongue weight across all axles of both vehicles. Proper setup and adjustment of this essential component ensures optimal control, stability, and performance while towing. Incorrect installation or adjustment of a weight distribution hitch creates dangerous conditions. The tongue weight may overload the tow vehicle's rear axle, lifting its front end and reducing critical front tire traction. This impairs both steering and braking performance. The trailer often becomes rear-heavy in this situation, leading to dangerous sway that becomes especially hazardous in high winds, sharp turns, or emergency maneuvers. Poor hitch setup also places unnecessary stress on equipment. The trailer's frame and suspension components endure excessive strain, leading to premature wear and costly repairs. Uneven weight distribution causes irregular tire wear and increases the risk of dangerous blowouts during travel. A correctly adjusted weight distribution hitch transforms the towing experience. The system maintains proper balance between vehicles, delivering smoother rides and improved braking efficiency. Even weight distribution reduces strain on the tow vehicle's suspension and drivetrain, extending equipment life significantly. Proper hitch setup requires careful attention to manufacturer guidelines. Regular inspection of components ensures early detection of wear issues. All connections must remain tight and secure for safe operation. Time invested in correct setup and maintenance provides peace of mind through safer, more stable towing. Taking these steps protects both your investment and everyone sharing the road. Each journey becomes smoother and safer with a properly installed and maintained weight distribution hitch. Proper weight distribution stands essential for safe towing, with accurate measurement serving as a critical step toward achieving a stable, controlled setup. Weight scales and certified vehicle scales provide reliable tools for ensuring your travel trailer maintains correct balance, reducing risks, and enhancing towing performance. Weight distribution affects every aspect of towing safety and performance. Excessive tongue weight overloads the tow vehicle's rear axle, reducing front-end traction and compromising steering and braking capabilities. Too little tongue weight creates a rear-heavy trailer, increasing dangerous sway risks and potential accidents. Proper measurement ensures tongue weight stays within 10 to 15% of total trailer weight, establishing optimal towing conditions. Two primary tools help measure weight distribution effectively. Tongue weight scales offer precise readings of downward force at the hitch point, enabling quick load adjustments to maintain correct weight ratios. Certified vehicle scales at truck stops or weigh stations measure individual axle weights for both vehicles, identifying any uneven distribution or overloading issues. Incorrect weight distribution leads to serious consequences beyond immediate safety concerns. Overloaded axles strain suspension components, cause uneven tire wear, and increase fuel consumption. Regular weight measurements prevent these issues, protecting your equipment from premature wear and expensive repairs. Taking time to measure and adjust weight distribution saves money through reduced maintenance costs and improved fuel efficiency. More importantly, it ensures safer travel for everyone sharing the road. This simple yet crucial step creates the foundation for confident, secure towing on every journey. Sway control systems serve as essential equipment for safe towing, working alongside weight distribution hitches to create stable, secure towing conditions. These systems combat trailer sway caused by high winds, uneven roads, passing vehicles, or improper loading, significantly enhancing towing safety and control. Two primary types of sway control systems protect against dangerous trailer movement. Friction-based systems attached to the hitch and trailer frame, using mechanical resistance to counteract side-to-side motion when it begins. Electronic or active systems employ advanced technology, using sensors to detect sway and automatically applying trailer brakes to correct unwanted movement. Both systems work in harmony with weight distribution hitches, maintaining proper alignment between the tow vehicle and trailer. This combination creates notably smoother, more controlled towing experiences in all conditions. Sway control proves particularly vital because uncontrolled trailer movement can escalate rapidly into dangerous situations. Without proper control, trailers risk jackknifing or rolling over, creating severe hazards for everyone on the road. These risks increase significantly in challenging conditions like strong winds, curved roads, or during emergency maneuvers. The benefits of sway control extend beyond basic safety. Drivers experience enhanced stability and greater confidence, especially in difficult conditions. The system reduces stress on equipment, protecting the hitch, trailer frame, and tow vehicle components from excessive wear. Installing a sway control system represents an essential investment for anyone towing a travel trailer. Combined with a weight distribution hitch, these systems ensure safer, more predictable journeys while protecting both equipment and lives on the road. The hitch forms the critical connection in your towing setup, requiring thorough inspection before every journey. Regular checks of all hitch components, including the ball mount, coupler, and weight distribution system, help identify potential issues like wear, rust, or damage. All bolts and pins must remain properly secured while maintaining correct load balance. Regular lubrication of moving parts ensures smooth operation and reduces wear, preventing dangerous situations like sway, uneven towing, or trailer separation. Tire condition and pressure significantly impact towing safety and stability. Incorrect tire pressure leads to handling problems, reduced fuel efficiency, and increased blowout risks. Each tire, including spares, requires proper inflation to manufacturer specifications. Regular inspections reveal warning signs like cracks, bulges, or uneven wear patterns that indicate load distribution or alignment problems. Proper load distribution within the trailer creates the foundation for safe towing. The tongue weight must stay within 10 to 15% of total trailer weight for optimal performance. Heavier items belong toward the trailer's front, with all cargo secured against movement during travel. Incorrect weight distribution stresses the trailer's frame and axles while creating dangerous instability. These maintenance steps protect against accidents, breakdowns, and costly repairs. Each inspection point serves a vital role in towing safety. Loose connections, worn components, or improper loading create hazards that compromise control and stability. Making these checks routine prevents problems before they develop into dangerous situations. Regular maintenance protects your investment while ensuring safer travel for everyone sharing the road. Your RV is your key to adventure and freedom. Don't let simple mistakes hold you back. Protect your trailer, stay safe, and enjoy the ride. Ready to learn more? Watch our next video where we reveal even more ways to stay safe and avoid costly mistakes on the road. Happy and safe travels.